Hi, I'm Richard. I'm the Client Services Director here at EngageWorks. So one of the key things about the Flux Lounge, we very much talk in terms of exploring the art of the possible, and we try to work as collaboratively and transparently as possible. We particularly like Igloo because it is so synchronous with some of the other things we do, and it enables us to create a truly immersive environment that can be shared, interacted with or within by multiple people. So here in the Flux Lounge we host corporates, brands, creative agencies, and we treat this entire space and the technology solutions, software here as a catalyst for our conversation and our journeys together.